If you have used AI caption tools like Submagic or CapCut, you know that you have to pay recurring fees every month or year to use them. However, in today's video, I will tell you about an AI tool that is offering a lifetime access deal for a very limited time, and I will also tell how you can recover the amount that you spend for this deal. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Click on the first link given in description or comments and you will see this AI caption tool called Vsub. If you want to learn how to use it, I have already made a video on it. I already have an account, so I will click here on Login. Let's go to the pricing section, and here you can see the lifetime offer that I was talking about. Lifetime access for a one-time fee, available for a limited time. Sign up today and never pay any recurring fees. This deal will end on 29th of February and is limited to just 200 licenses in total. We have two plans: starter for $99 and allows only 10 videos per month, so I will highly recommend going for the pro plan that allows unlimited videos per month. And also starter plan only allows 2 minutes of video, but pro plan allows videos as long as 10 minutes. There are also a lot of other features that the pro plan provides. If you still wish to use monthly or annual plans, you can get them from here, and I will tell you a coupon code that will get you a discount on all the plans. This code will work on this lifetime plan as well as the other monthly or annual plans. Click on Go Pro. You will see the option to enter discount code. Type WB Explainer and click Apply. As you can see, you have received a $30 discount on the Lifetime Pro plan. Now what you can do is offer multiple creators the service to caption their videos for a very nominal price. If you even charge $3 per video and they upload 30 short-form videos per month, you can recover the cost in 3 months, and if you find 3 such creators you can recover it within a month. You can also offer these services on freelancing websites like Fiverr. If you want to see the detailed video on how to use Vsub, then check out this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.